Section 1.2, exploring the validity of conjectures. So sometimes conjectures might seem like they are true, and then once you check the evidence, you notice they weren't. A good example of those are optical illusions. So if we look at this one, if you made a conjecture about A and B and C, you might think B and C is shorter than A and B. But if we look, the length of this one is the exact same length as this one. So our previous conjecture was incorrect. Your brain may deceive you here. The question is, make a conjecture about the circles in the center. So looking at these, I would think this circle is bigger than that one. That would be my initial conjecture. But when I find something to measure, this circle is the exact measurement of that circle. So my conjecture, again, was proved to be false. And another one, this optical illusion. Make a conjecture about the lines. So the lines look like they are curved in this picture. But if I get a straight edge and measure, I find that the lines are actually straight. It's just an illusion. So, to sum this all up, some conjectures initially seem to be valid, some conjectures initially seem to be valid, but then can be proved to be not valid.